Hey everyone, welcome back. Looking for the best kitchen compost bin to keep your kitchen fresh, organized, and eco-friendly? In today's video, I'm counting down the top 6 best kitchen compost bins that combine smart design, odor control, and easy cleaning. Whether you're a home cook, tech lover, or someone living a greener lifestyle, there's a perfect compost bin waiting for you. But before we get started, make sure to check the links in the description below if you want to know the latest prices and more product information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product kitchen product insights. Product number 1, EPICA Countertop Compost Bin Kitchen. The EPICA Countertop Compost Bin Kitchen earns the number 1 spot thanks to its premium stainless steel construction, elegant design, and outstanding odor control. If you're looking for a compost bin that looks great on your kitchen counter while keeping food scraps contained, this is an excellent choice. Its replaceable activated charcoal filter effectively traps unpleasant smells, allowing you to compost comfortably indoors. I really like how durable the stainless steel body feels compared to plastic alternatives. It's rust-resistant, easy to clean, and blends beautifully with modern kitchen decor. The generous capacity means fewer trips to your outdoor compost pile, making it ideal for busy families and home cooks. Whether you're preparing vegetables, fruit peels, eggshells, or coffee grounds, the EPICA handles daily kitchen waste with ease. It's perfect for anyone wanting to reduce household waste while keeping the kitchen clean, stylish, and environmentally friendly. Product number 2, Joseph Stack Kitchen. The Joseph Stack Kitchen Compost Bin stands out with its innovative vertical design that saves valuable countertop space. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for apartments, condos, or smaller kitchens without sacrificing capacity. One of my favorite features is the flip-top lid that provides quick, one-handed access while preparing meals. The ventilated construction helps reduce moisture buildup, improving airflow and minimizing unpleasant odors naturally. Cleaning is also simple, thanks to its removable inner bucket. This compost bin is perfect for home cooks who generate regular food scraps but want a modern-looking solution. Its stylish appearance fits beautifully into contemporary kitchens while keeping composting convenient and organized. If you appreciate smart engineering and practical storage, this model offers an excellent balance of functionality, durability, and everyday convenience. Product number 3, Simple Human Compost Caddy. The Simple Human Compost Caddy is designed for maximum convenience and premium functionality. What makes this model unique is its magnetic docking system that easily attaches to compatible Simple Human trash cans or can sit independently on your countertop. The soft seal lid effectively traps odors while allowing quick access during meal preparation. Its smooth interior prevents food residue from sticking, making cleanup surprisingly effortless. The removable inner bucket is dishwasher safe, adding another level of convenience for busy households. Its sleek, modern design complements high-end kitchens while encouraging sustainable food waste disposal. Whether you're composting fruit peels, vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, or eggshells, this caddy keeps everything organized and hygienic. If you value premium build quality and innovative design, the Simple Human Compost Caddy is a fantastic investment. Product number 4, Blue Ginkgo Kitchen Compost Bin. The Blue Ginkgo Kitchen Compost Bin offers a fresh, colorful approach to everyday composting. Its lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to carry from your countertop to your outdoor compost pile without creating a mess. The compact size works especially well for smaller households or anyone with limited counter space. Despite its lightweight construction, it remains durable enough for daily use and features a secure lid that helps contain food odors. I appreciate how simple it is to rinse clean after emptying. The cheerful appearance also adds a nice decorative touch instead of looking like a traditional waste container. It's a practical option for beginners who want to start composting without investing in a large or expensive system, while still maintaining a clean, organized kitchen. Product number 5, Lala Star Countertop Compost Bin. The Lala Star Countertop Compost Bin combines affordability with practical, everyday performance. If you're looking for a budget-friendly compost solution that doesn't compromise on functionality, this model deserves serious consideration. Its spacious interior accommodates several days of food scraps, reducing how often you need to empty it. The secure lid helps minimize odors while keeping your kitchen looking neat and tidy. Its lightweight construction makes carrying and cleaning quick and effortless. This compost bin works well for fruit scraps, vegetables, coffee grounds, tea bags, and other compostable kitchen waste. The simple design blends easily into most kitchens while encouraging environmentally responsible habits. For new composters or families seeking excellent value, the La Star delivers dependable performance at an attractive price. Product number 6. OXO Good Grips Easy-Clean Compost Bin. Rounding out today's list is the OXO Good Grips Easy-Clean Compost Bin, one of the easiest compost bins to maintain. As the name suggests, its smooth interior corners prevent food from becoming trapped, making cleanup fast and hassle-free. The rotating lid opens effortlessly with one hand, allowing you to toss food scraps inside while cooking. It also seals securely to help control odors between emptying sessions. The sturdy carrying handle makes transporting compost waste simple and comfortable. I especially like how practical this design is for busy kitchens where convenience matters. It's durable, thoughtfully engineered, and perfect for everyday composting. Whether you're new to composting or upgrading an older bin, the OXO Good Grips Easy-Clean Compost Bin provides dependable performance with minimal maintenance. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect kitchen compost bin for your home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more top product reviews. Be sure to check the links in the description for today's best prices and exclusive deals. See you next time.